Okay, so why do people like index investing? What are the positives of investing in an index? Now, because you're investing in such a broad basket of companies, if you invest in the S&P 500, you basically are investing in 500 different companies. And as a result, you are diversifying your investment and having all the protection that comes with diversification. The second advantage is that it's very little effort. So you don't really have to research into individual companies. You don't have to track how they're going. You don't have to follow their quarterly or their half-yearly results. Basically, you put your money to work in the whole market and then you just go back to work or go back to sleep. So there's basically a lot less effort required to invest in an index because you don't have to do the research that goes into doing individual picks. There's another advantage that comes with index investing is that yes, you get the diversification, but then nobody really knows what will happen to individual companies, and nobody really knows what the future is going to look like for individual companies. But if you think that the share market overall is going to do well into the future, then you're basically making that bet by investing in the whole index. So you're basically being humble in saying that, look, I don't know how individual stocks will perform over the long term, but I know based on past performance that in the long term, the index or the share market will generally trend upwards. So the other advantage with index funds is that they're generally low cost. So if you went to an actively managed fund, they will probably charge you between 1 to 2% of your investment value every year to manage your investments. But if you invested in an index fund, a lot of them will only really charge you 0.1% or at the most 0.2% of your investment value every year to put your money to work in an index. And that's because they don't have to spend the money on, hiring analysts to analyze the stock market, analyze individual companies, and instead all they have to do is just invest your money in all of the stocks in that index. If you're finding this video useful, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, and also hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get to know every time a new video comes out. Thank you very much.